Welcome back to Bike Studio, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we dive into a motorcycle that has stood the test of time, battled through deserts and mountains, and kept going when others gave up. Yes, we're talking about the legendary Kawasaki KLR 650. And now, for 2025, it returns with updates that promise to keep this dual-sport beast at the top of the adventure touring game. A legacy reborn. The Kawasaki KLR 650 has always been known as a rugged, no-nonsense machine. It's a bike that doesn't try to impress with high-tech gimmicks, it simply gets the job done. First introduced in the late 1980s, the KLR became synonymous with reliability, simplicity, and go-anywhere capability. For 2025, Kawasaki has honored this legacy while adding just enough modernity to make it relevant for today's adventurers. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KLR 650 is the tried-and-tested 652 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. It's fuel-injected, tuned for low-end torque, and designed to withstand the harshest environments. The engine remains virtually bulletproof, delivering enough grunt to take on highway miles, gravel roads, or steep mountain passes. Kawasaki has refined the fuel injection system for better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, especially at higher elevations, a huge plus for riders who venture into alpine territory. The 5-speed transmission remains unchanged, offering wide gear ratios for both trail riding and long-distance touring. Suspension and chassis. The KLR 650 has never been about cutting-edge suspension, but 2025 brings subtle improvements. The 41mm front fork and uni-track rear suspension have been fine-tuned for better on-road comfort without compromising off-road performance. It's not a motocross bike, but it doesn't pretend to be. It's a capable adventurer that can handle ruts, rocks, and river crossings without complaint. The frame continues to be a semi-double cradle design, sturdy and built to carry luggage, extra fuel, and whatever you need to survive your next expedition. Kawasaki has also improved damping to reduce fatigue on long rides, because let's face it, this bike is built for the long haul. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the 2025 KLR 650 retains its familiar adventure bike silhouette but with updated graphics and sharper lines. It looks tougher, more refined, and more purposeful than ever. The ergonomics remain adventure-focused, with a tall windscreen, upright seating, wide handlebars, and a comfortable saddle that supports long hours in the saddle. The bike now comes with LED lighting as standard, including a brighter headlamp for better nighttime visibility. Kawasaki has also added rubber-mounted foot pegs and handlebars to reduce vibrations, a welcome feature for those planning multi-day journeys. Technology and features. One of the biggest changes for 2025 is the inclusion of a basic LCD digital display that shows all essential information, including fuel range, gear position, trip meters, and more. It's not flashy, but it's functional. ABS is now standard across all trims, offering extra safety on both paved and dirt roads. The KLR also includes a USB charging port, a 12V accessory outlet, and optional hard panniers and top box for serious touring. Kawasaki has struck a perfect balance, giving riders modern necessities without overcomplicating the simplicity that defines the KLR. On-road and off-road experience. On pavement, the KLR 650 rides confidently. It's not going to carve corners like a sport bike, but it offers stability and comfort that few dual sports can match. The upright riding position and long travel suspension make it ideal for both city commuting and highway cruising. Take it off-road, and the KLR transforms. Its torquey engine, strong chassis, and rugged tires allow you to traverse fire roads, forest trails, and desert terrain with ease. It's not a lightweight dirt bike, but it doesn't shy away from adventure either. Fuel range and practicality. One of the hallmarks of the KLR has always been its massive fuel tank, and the 2025 version stays true to form with a 6.1-gallon tank. Combined with improved fuel efficiency, riders can expect a range of over 300 miles on a single fill, making this one of the most practical ADV bikes on the market. Maintenance is straightforward, parts are widely available, and the bike is built to last. Whether you're commuting daily or planning a ride across continents, the KLR 650 is ready to go the distance. Variants and pricing. The 2025 KLR 650 is available in 3 variants: the base model, the adventure model with panniers and fog lights, and the traveler edition equipped with a top case and GPS mount. Kawasaki has kept pricing competitive, making it one of the most affordable entry points into the adventure touring segment. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki KLR 650 proves once again why it's one of the most beloved dual-sport motorcycles ever made. It doesn't rely on speed, flash, or fancy tech. Instead, it wins hearts with durability, simplicity, and an unbeatable go-anywhere attitude. Whether you're a seasoned overlander or just dipping your toes into adventure riding, the KLR 650 remains one of the smartest and most dependable choices on 2 wheels. Outro: Ride with Bike Studio. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Studio. If you're as excited about the 2025 Kawasaki KLR 650 as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews, motorcycle news, and all things two-wheeled. Until next time, stay safe, ride far, and keep the adventure alive.